Here's how to make website using Emergent AI. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the Emergent AI website and then sign in using your Google or Apple or email account. Afterwards, you'll be redirected on the main dashboard, which is what you need to do is to put on the prompts that you wanted to use on your Emergent AI. But before that, what you need to do is to check first if you have enough credit for you to be able to create a website from the Emergent AI. So once you have already seen that you have actually enough credits, what you need to do is to click on the E1 options, and what you need to do is to choose if you're going to have prototype, mobile, E1 or E1.1 website, depending on the website that you're just going to create. Afterwards, what you need to do is to choose a AI that will support your Emergent AI, and then right there you will now build website.